new rumor just popped up online by my smart price suggesting one or more variants of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 could offer 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. Assuming this is true and also assuming no other Samsung flagship smartphone launched between now and the Galaxy S10, these alleged memory and storage configurations would be the highest in Samsung's device lineup. Currently, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 offers Samsung's highest memory and storage option at 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage respectively, and that model currently retails for $1,250. One can only imagine how much Samsung would charge for a 12GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage smartphone. If Samsung really is going to offer this much memory and storage in the Galaxy S10 smartphone, the question then is which one will get it? We are relatively certain that we will be at least 3 variants of the Samsung Galaxy S10, a vanilla S10, a Galaxy S10 Plus, and a cheaper Galaxy S10 model with the lower specifications and less premium hardware. If these are the only 3 models Samsung will launch, we would expect this 12GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage option to be exclusively reserved for the Galaxy S10 Plus. However, there are plenty of rumors to suggest that there will be a 4th Samsung Galaxy S10 variant, one with a massive display, 5G support, 6 cameras, and other industry-best features. Throwing 12GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage into that beast seems like just the right kind of overkill. Samsung's mobile division CEO DJ Ko recently mentioned Samsung being in a crisis when it comes to its smartphone business. It could be that company is ready to put a pedal to the metal when it comes to its 2019 releases in the attempt to better compete against rival manufacturers. According to the serial leaker IC News, the Samsung Galaxy S10 achieved a score of 3,25,076 in Antutu benchmark, which would make it one of the fastest Android smartphones in the world. We need to take these results with a pinch of salt, but it would be in line with what we can expect from a new flagship smartphone from Samsung. It's also worth noting that this would also put the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with the Exynos SoC behind Apple's iPhone XS, which has achieved a score of 3,52,405. As Universe also published a screenshot that shows some of the phone specifications. Of note is the phone's resolution of 2280 x 1080. This would be rather strange if this is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus true resolution, as the preceding Galaxy S9 Plus had a display with a resolution of 2960 x 1440. The strange resolution raises additional questions as to whether the published benchmarks are legitimate. Samsung is expected to launch its new Galaxy S10 Plus smartphone sometime early in 2019. Until we get our hands on an official Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, however, we won't be able to say for sure if these benchmarks are accurate. So, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.